Are you looking for modern but easy-to-make woodworking project ideas? Modern furniture has become a prominent choice for interior design, characterized by sleek lines, innovative materials, and functional designs. It reflects contemporary aesthetics and lifestyles, offering numerous advantages that cater to the needs of today's consumers. One of the most defining features of modern furniture is its sleek and minimalist design. This aesthetic is characterized by clean lines, simple forms, and a lack of unnecessary ornamentation. The result is a visually appealing environment that exudes sophistication and elegance. Modern furniture encompasses a wide range of styles, from Scandinavian simplicity to industrial chic. This versatility allows homeowners to mix and match pieces to create a personalized look that suits their tastes and complements their decor. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of modern woodworking projects to inspire your next creation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Modern furniture often employs a neutral color palette, with pops of vibrant color used as accents. This makes it easy to integrate into existing color schemes. Additionally, the use of various textures, such as smooth metals, soft fabrics, and natural woods, adds depth and interest to spaces. In today's world, where living spaces are often limited, modern furniture is designed with functionality in mind. Many pieces are multifunctional, such as sofa beds, extendable dining tables, and storage ottomans. These designs help maximize space without sacrificing style. Modern furniture frequently emphasizes ergonomic design, promoting comfort and health. Chairs, desks, and sofas are crafted to support proper posture, making them ideal for home offices and everyday use. This focus on ergonomics can lead to increased productivity and overall well-being. Many modern furniture pieces are made from materials that are easy to clean and maintain. For instance, synthetic fabrics and treated wood surfaces resist stains and spills better than traditional materials. This ease of maintenance is especially beneficial for families with children or pets. Modern furniture is often constructed from high-quality materials designed to withstand the test of time. This includes engineered woods, metals, and durable upholstery fabrics. Investing in modern furniture typically means investing in longevity. With the rise of contemporary furniture designers, there has been a focus on craftsmanship and attention to detail. Many modern pieces are handcrafted or produced in smaller batches, ensuring a level of quality that mass-produced items often lack. While modern furniture is rooted in contemporary aesthetics, many designs possess a timeless quality. This means that even as trends change, well-designed modern pieces can remain relevant and stylish for years to come. Sustainability is an increasingly important consideration in furniture design. Many modern furniture manufacturers prioritize eco-friendly materials, such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled metals. These materials reduce environmental impact and promote responsible consumption. Modern furniture production often emphasizes efficiency and waste reduction. Many companies adopt sustainable manufacturing processes that minimize waste and energy consumption. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who are conscious of their environmental footprint. By investing in high-quality modern furniture, consumers can reduce the need for frequent replacements. Durable pieces that stand the test of time contribute to a more sustainable approach to consumption, as they minimize waste and resource use. Many modern furniture makers offer customization options, allowing consumers to tailor pieces to their specific needs and preferences. This includes choices in size, color, material, and configuration. Customization ensures that every piece fits seamlessly into a given space. Modular furniture is a hallmark of modern design. These pieces can be rearranged and reconfigured to accommodate changing needs and preferences. This adaptability makes modern furniture suitable for dynamic living environments, such as urban apartments or co-working spaces. Modern furniture allows individuals to express their personal style and taste. The wide variety of designs, colors, and materials available means that homeowners can curate spaces that reflect their unique identities. With a focus on ergonomics and comfort, modern furniture enhances the overall living experience. Comfortable seating, functional layouts, and aesthetically pleasing designs contribute to creating inviting and enjoyable spaces. Modern furniture often promotes open layouts and communal spaces. This design philosophy encourages social interaction and connection, making homes more conducive to gatherings and shared experiences. While modern furniture can sometimes come with a higher price tag, the investment often pays off in terms of quality and longevity. When purchasing well-made pieces, consumers are likely to save money in the long run by avoiding frequent replacements. Incorporating modern furniture into home design can enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of a property. This can be particularly beneficial when it comes time to sell, as modern, stylish interiors often attract buyers and can increase property value. Modern furniture increasingly incorporates technology, enhancing functionality and convenience. Examples include smart furniture with built-in charging ports, adjustable lighting, and innovative storage solutions. This integration aligns with the tech-savvy lifestyles of today's consumers. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern woodworking projects to inspire your next creation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.